Hello, I'm Luna. Welcome to English with Luna. Today, I will tell you a simple and relaxing story in English. This story will help you improve your listening and your vocabulary. Try to listen carefully and follow the text on the screen. If you can, repeat the sentences after you hear them. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just relax and enjoy the story. Let's begin. Mark works from home every day, and his routine is always very similar. He wakes up early, makes a cup of coffee, and sits in front of his computer. In the morning, he checks his emails and starts working immediately. Sometimes he works for many hours without stopping. He likes his job, but he often feels tired at the end of the day. One afternoon, Mark looks at the clock and realizes he has been working for a long time. His eyes feel heavy and his body feels a little tense. He leans back in his chair and takes a deep breath. Then he looks out the window. The sky is clear and the sun is shining softly. The trees outside move gently with the wind. "I need a break," he says quietly. He stands up, stretches his arms, and walks away from his desk. After a moment, he decides to go outside. Near his home, there is a small park. It is not very big, but it is clean, quiet, and full of green trees. He puts on his shoes, takes his keys, and leaves his apartment. As he walks down the street, he feels the warm air on his face. It feels good to be outside. After a few minutes, he arrives at the park. He walks slowly inside, looking around. The park is peaceful. There are a few people, but it is not crowded. A woman is walking her dog along the path. The dog looks happy and full of energy. Two children are playing near a tree, laughing and running. Their voices are light and cheerful. An old man is sitting on a bench, reading a book quietly. Mark smiles as he observes everything. He feels more relaxed with every step. He finds an empty bench and sits down. For a moment, he does nothing. He just sits and breathes slowly. The sound of the birds fills the air. The leaves move softly in the wind. Everything feels calm and simple. Mark closes his eyes for a few seconds. When he opens them again, he feels different, more present, more calm. After a while, he takes out his phone from his pocket. He looks at the screen for a second, but then he stops. "No," he says quietly. He puts the phone away again. He wants to enjoy this moment without distractions. After sitting for some time, Mark stands up and starts walking again. This time, he walks more slowly. He pays attention to small details, the different shades of green in the trees, the soft sound of his steps on the path, the gentle light of the sun between the branches. As he walks, he notices something he did not see before. There is a small path he has never taken. He decides to follow it. The path is quiet and a little narrow. It goes behind a group of trees. After a few steps, he finds a small open space. There is a wooden bench and a small fountain. The water moves slowly, making a soft and relaxing sound. Mark smiles. This place is nice, he thinks. He sits on the bench and watches the water for a few minutes. He feels completely relaxed now. No stress, no pressure, just a quiet moment. After some time, Mark stands up and walks back to the main path. He leaves the park slowly, not in a hurry. As he walks home, he feels lighter. His mind feels clear. His body feels relaxed. When he arrives home, he sits at his desk again, but now everything feels easier. He works with more focus. He finishes his tasks calmly. That evening, he feels satisfied with his work. Before going to sleep, he thinks about the park. I will go again tomorrow, he says, and the next day he does. Thank you for listening. I hope this story helped you learn new words and improve your English. Try to listen again and repeat the sentences to practice your speaking and your listening. See you in the next story.